Hi everyone, it's Fiona from Nadaya Financial and it's Mortgage Monday. Today I'm going to discuss something really important. It's comprehensive credit reporting. It's your credit reports. Now you may have not noticed, but of late it's been introduced where the credit reporting is now comprehensive. And on your reports, it has 24 months worth of repayments on there that can be seen, all your payment history. So there's three really important things I'm going to discuss today. And I really think that you should share it because a lot of people don't know this. And some of the stuff is quite simple. So first of all, did you know that being just 1 day late on your mortgage can take you up to 6 months to repair your score on your credit report? That's right, just from being 1 day late, you will see that cross on your credit report and it will take 6 months worth of regular repayments just to get your credit report to the way that it was before. And you know how to stop that from happening? If you know that your payment's going to be late, all you need to do is call up the bank within 2 weeks of that payment being due and letting them know, and then they will not put it on your credit report. Simple as that. If you know you're going to be late, if you're a bit strapped for cash for 1 month, just let the bank know and then they are not obliged to put it on your credit report at all. So you're safe. Another way to avoid that is to also have a direct debit so you don't even need to worry about that payment coming out. A second thing that you need to know that I was completely shocked when I found out is every time you go for a zip pay or an afterpay, it triggers and puts a red cross on your credit report. This also takes months for your credit score to go back up again. It reduces your credit score every time you use it. And that red cross will stay on your credit report for 5 years. Yep, 5 years just for using zip pay and afterpay. And lastly, these are just the three things I got from finding out about this comprehensive credit report that I found the most interesting. Lastly, if you're applying for a credit card online, say, actually this happened to a friend of mine and she was shocked when she found out she was applying for a 2K credit card, $2,000 limit, not a big deal. And then they asked her, would you like to see how much your credit limit could go up to? And she said, yeah, sure. So it told her she could get a $50,000 credit card. How scary is that? Now, she said, of course, no, thank you very much. I'll stick with my $2,000 credit card, which was fine. She did the right thing. And then when she did a credit check on her report to see what her score was like, she found that they had actually put the $50,000 credit inquiry on her credit report, which, yes, it did reduce her score as well. So just beware of those online places because they do check your credit report and it is recorded. So if you do want to check your credit report, there are 3 companies that give you accurate reporting on your credit. First of all is Equifax. The second one is Experian, and the last one is Ilion. Now, just for today, if anyone is interested in having their credit report checked, you can leave a message in the comments box below and I will be happy to do that for you. It's just an offer for today because, of course, we have to pay for these credit reports. But I really think it's important to get the word out and everybody needs to know. So I also have a free ebook available today. If anybody wants more information on credit repair, just again send me a message below and I'm happy to send that on. So 3 important things you need to remember today. First of all, if you're going to be late on your mortgage, give the bank a call within 2 weeks of that mortgage being due and they will not put it on your credit report. Otherwise it would take 6 months for your credit score to go back up. Second of all, every time you do a zip pay or an afterpay, it will trigger on your credit report, put a big red cross and it will stay there for 5 years. And lastly, if you're applying for a credit card, beware if they ask you if you want to go for a higher limit, they're going to put that higher limit on your credit inquiry, which again will reduce your credit score. So if you'd like any further information, if you'd like to take advantage of the special opportunity I have today for a free credit report, feel free to leave a message in the comments box below and have a great day.